Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this multi-episode series, we're going to be at Eagle Rock Campground in Pioneer, Tennessee. We're going to be riding the Sunquist trails, and we're going to be checking out trails such as Trail 19. We've been there before. We had a tree down. Had to winch out. So we're going to go back and check that out. We're also going to hit Top of the World. We're finally going to take a trail that we couldn't take the year before. We're actually even going to break down and have to be towed. We're also going to be checking out Goad Motorsports because obviously they're going to be involved in this video also. We're going to be checking out a large waterfall, and we're finally going to be able to check out some elk. We're actually going to make it to the Elk Viewing Tower, and much more is going to go on in this multi-episode. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. Comment below. Have you ever been here before? Have you ever experienced any of this? Check it out. Now, some of our videos might not be for you, but most of our videos are geared towards people who are new or thinking about getting into the sport. We don't do any of that crazy hill climbs, things that cause our machine to break and cost a lot of money. We do regular trail riding. So if you know anyone that's interested in getting into side-by-side riding or just wants to see regular trail rides, please like, share, subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Now, let's get on with the video. All right, welcome back everyone. This is our Wednesday ride only video, so there's no editing. You're actually going to see in here, if you pay attention at one point, how we actually do some of our in-ride introductions for some of the openings and whatnot. For those of you that haven't seen the Elk Viewing Tower video, please go back and watch Saturday's video, last Saturday's video, and this is basically the ride for that. Trail 35 to 36 to 25 to the Elk Viewing Tower. Again, it's uncut. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching last weekend. If you haven't, go check that out. Otherwise, please hit the subscribe button. That would be appreciated very much. And smash the like button. Just to let us know that you like these videos. Appreciate you being here. We will see you on the next video. Really? Dang.
I wonder if they come out more like around sunset.
Yeah, that's probably what I was thinking, in the morning or later in the afternoon.
Is there an actual tower?
It's
Yeah.
off the ground.
It's off the ground. All right.